Lesson number 2. What is Tezos baking? Tezos is a cryptocurrency and blockchain designed for safety, open participation, and upgradability. Participating in the Tezos network starts with Tez. Tez, or XTZ, is the native token of the Tezos network. Let's say Emma receives some Tez in her Tezos wallet. She can hold it, spend it, or send it, just like any other cryptocurrency. She can also do something else. She can bake it. Baking Tez is a bit like mining Bitcoin. It secures the network, verifies transactions, and distributes rewards. But unlike mining, baking doesn't require expensive hardware and a lot of electricity. Instead, all it requires is Tez. This is because baking on Tezos uses a unique consensus mechanism called liquid proof of stake. It rewards participants with Tez tokens based on how many Tez they are baking, rather than how much mining power they control. In this way, the people who use the network, Tez holders like Emma, are the ones who run it and are rewarded by it. Let's say Emma wants to earn rewards with her Tez. If she has enough Tez, a unit of account called a roll, she can do it all by herself. All she needs is a decent computer with an internet connection and one roll of Tez to become a baker. Alternatively, if Emma doesn't want to run her own baker or doesn't have a full roll, she can still participate by delegating her Tez to another baker. The Tezos delegation process is safe and simple. Emma controls her Tez at all times, and the baker she selects keeps a percentage of her baking rewards as a fee. Regardless of whether or not she delegates, after an initial period of about 35 days, the baking rewards begin to be released. After this initial period, Emma will earn rewards every few days, as long as her baker is operational. Emma can also change her delegation to a new baker at any time. This incentivizes the baker to perform well. The better job it does at baking, the more people like Emma will delegate their Tez to it, and the more rewards it will receive. In this way, baking on Tezos encourages open participation. The baking reward incentivizes every Tez holder to participate, no matter how many Tez they have. When everyone participates, they contribute valuable resources to the network. Bakers all over the world verify transactions, making Tezos stronger and more decentralized. They also vote on upgrades to the Tezos network, which we'll explore in the next lesson. Today, there are hundreds of Tezos bakers. Check out a list of public bakers that share rewards at mytezosbaker.com. When this video was created, almost 80% of all Tez tokens were baking. That's what open participation looks like.